It gets really nasty really fast. They're little poop makers. So, this is why I've designed this. Oops. I'm losing my marbles. I don't want to put them in here. But I had marbles in their water. Oh well, I'm not going to dig that out. But I had marbles because my husband was worried at because they're so little, especially the bantam ones, bantam chicks. So, see the little marbles. Doing this one-handed while I hold the camera. Let's see, that's just poop. I can't remember if yeah, I did. I must have screwed, no. Wouldn't have screwed that in, yeah. That's not going to stay in the compost bin, but for now. Some more marbles. But all this will get raked out, goes into this that I'll put into a composter or a garden bed that I'm getting ready, and I'll get this done, and then I'll open up and let the previous flock in. And if you saw my baby chick video, they sat on eggs from all the hens for 4 weeks. None of them hatched. So if he's doing his business, he's shooting blanks, or he's not doing his business at all. But I wanted to get to this, clean this up. The chicks, when they get a little bit older, are going to end up in here. But right now I'm scared. I'm going to put a board there so that they couldn't crawl in under there, because they get stuck and they don't know how to get back out of stuff and die because they can't get to water and other issues. But I'm going to do a good cleaning in here. They've been roosting up there at night, so I'm not going to take that away. So, back to work. Thanks for joining me. Be a blessing and be blessed.